Hello, you straight teeth lovers in the world out there. Time for some PFOing so you know where you're going. Okay, I didn't even say what we're talking about today because I just want to get straight into it. Ready for the surprise? Actually, you probably guessed. It's about straight teeth and this concerning trend, from my orthodontic opinion, about direct-to-consumer products. Direct-to-consumer straightening of teeth. The business model is just... Found this Facebook ad online. I'm gonna react to it because I know we're a lot of emotional people out there. Sometimes we do emotional purchases and I don't want you to get caught up in the excitement and find yourself saying, why? Why did I do that? Like Sid the Sloth.
Why? Doesn't anyone love me?
You can fix your teeth at home with aligners. No one will even notice.
I don't know what that means by you can fix your teeth at home with aligners that nobody will notice. Okay, two things. One, it takes more than just a couple hours at night to really move your teeth predictably. And so I can see that being like the only way that no one else notices that you're wearing aligners is if you only wear them while you sleep. I mean, maybe the person next to you notices, but.
Raging about these aligners that straighten your teeth in like 4 to 6 months, we're not lying.
Whoa, this guy, actor portrayal, is super excited about this, just like I get super excited about straight teeth and beautiful bites, except I don't think that this is completely accurate. Teeth can move in 4 to 6 months. That is true, but can they move to their perfect positions? It depends. Not for everybody.
And they're 60% cheaper than braces.
Everybody keeps saying that. And they probably are cheaper than braces. And it's not because the braces are super expensive. It's just that if you want to get braces or if you want to get Invisalign, you've got to go through what we call an orthodontic or dental provider. You have to go into the office. You have to be checked by a dental health professional. They evaluate your teeth and then they give you options about, hey, this could be a good product for you, or this could be good for you, or, oh yeah, and did you know that you have a cavity? Or you probably should get this bone loss checked out before you jump into moving your teeth, right? Those are things that happen when you go to the dental health provider. You may not get that with this 4 to 6 month do it at home, only at night plan. In fact, I know you won't.
When I found out you can fix them completely at home, oh, it was a rap ski.
It was a rap ski. A licensed dentist or orthodontist evaluates and manages your new smile. Your aligners are manufactured in accordance with your smile prescription. So what they mean by that is hopefully this is all digital, right? They do a scan or you do the impressions and then they get to see a digital model of your teeth and the way that they fit together. So they look at those digital models and they try to move your teeth in ways to make them straighter. But as far as managing, and when I consider managing, I'm talking about like knowing your health history. There are certain medications, right, that can affect tooth movement. Managing also would include watching for poor responses, okay, to the trays or to the tooth movement, like gum loss or root resorption. There's lots of things that can happen while you're going through tooth movement that this managing dentist probably can't manage that well because they're not there in person with you. So they are managing in the sense that they can monitor the progress or make decisions about, you know, how the teeth should look. But that might be the extent of what they mean by managing.
Sign me up. The aligners come with super clear directions, and that's it.
I think they do a pretty good job making things pretty simple because straightening your teeth doesn't have to be too complicated. It doesn't have to be, right? And for a lot of people, it can be very simple. You just got to get in, straighten your teeth out, put the braces on, put the Invisalign in, and just start working.
Let them do their magic. People kept noticing.
Magic. I've made another video before. Check it out, okay? Aligners aren't just magical. They're not wizards for you Harry Potter lovers out there. They're not Gandalf the Grey. I mean, that guy was fantastic. He was truly magical. Or Catch Me If You Can. Those guys really knew how to like, how do they do that? Okay, you might think that about this. They're not magical. It means that you don't just pop these trays in, and then voila, teeth are straight and bites are beautified. Not that simple, all right? Sometimes when you straighten teeth, it changes the bite. Sometimes when you try to straighten the teeth don't move the way that they should. And in both of those situations, who are you gonna call when you have a problem? You might try the SDC, managing dentist, but you don't really have a person, I could be that person, that you can go see talk to, and just have a good heart-to-heart about how things are going with your teeth. It's just a little bit more challenging. So, not magical. Just trying to think about all the people that are magical. There's also Willow, or Santa Claus.
And that's it. You just let them do their magic. People kept noticing how good my teeth were looking, and I don't blame them. So stop.
Yes, I'm not doubting that the aligners here through SDC can straighten your teeth. They can. And people will probably notice because everybody loves straight teeth. Well, at least a lot of people I know love straight teeth.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and go sign up.
Whoa, now that is talk about, man, he really hyped us up. We are excited about straightening your teeth. If you stop whatever you're doing right now to go sign up, you may or may not regret your impulse purchase.
Waiting for.
Check out the new me.
Hey, that's pretty catchy. Check out the new me. But you know what, in my opinion, and I know you might think I'm biased because I'm an orthodontist, but let me help you develop that new smile that you're gonna love. And we're gonna do it in a way that fits your needs and helps you accomplish the goals that you want, and will take care of your oral health along the way. Hey, if you're in the McKinney and Anna, Texas area, and you wanna consider using clear aligners to straighten your teeth, we can do it. If you wanna just go with the old school braces, the gold standard, we can do it. We're all about the straight teeth and the beautiful bites. Consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. That's all I've got. Just a little PFOing so you know where you're going. This Packard is